humid, hot day. But I wanted to tell you I'm putting up signs for this brand new listing that's coming up in Old Hickory. It'll be live on Thursday, open house on Sunday 2 to 4. If you know anything about Old Hickory and Andrew Jackson School District, yeah, you want this house. For sale, be 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Andrew Jackson School Choir was the choir that performed at the CMA Awards.
This year?
This year, and last year. It's a great school district. It's a great neighborhood. You guys would love it. Give me a call, 615-995-6322 if you want to see it.
How much is it going to be?